Welcome everyone into my channel Everything PS. With you MD. If this is your first visit to our channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification button. Do not forget to leave your feedback and your suggestions down below in the comments. This will help me to improve the content of our channel. In Illustrator, you can use simpler shapes and patterns as the building blocks of more complex artwork by combining them in different ways. In this video you're gonna learn how to combine the shapes using the shipbuilder tool to create the final artwork you see on the right. To follow along, open this file from the practice files. To make sure that you see everything, choose View, Fit Artboard and Window. You'll start by creating this mean shape here. There's a circle and a rectangle that are overlapping. They need to be combined into a single shape to give us this shape in the final artwork. Now I combine the shapes. You first need to select them, so with the selection tool selected, drag across these two shapes to select them. There was another artwork underneath. You could also press the Shift key and click all the artwork to select multiple shapes. To combine the shapes, you'll use the Shape Builder tool and the Tools panel on the left. So, select the Shape Builder tool and drag across both shapes to combine them. You can tell what's about to be combined by the cross-hatching shows. Also, the red outline you see reveals the final shape that will be created. Release the mouse button to combine the shapes. Besides combining shapes, you can also remove parts of shapes with the Shape Builder tool. The shapes need to be combined, and these top and bottom parts need to be removed to create an eye shaped from the overlapping area like you see over here in the final artwork. First, you'll select the shapes with the selection tool, so select the selection tool and the tools panel. Drag across the two circles to select them. Select the Shape Builder tool and the tools panel, and to remove parts of the shapes, press the Option key on Mac or the Alt key on Windows. You'll see a minus sign in the pointer. When you click, whatever is highlighted will be removed, so with the Option or Alt key held down, click the top part here to remove it. And then with the keys still held down, click the bottom part to remove it as well. You can release the key. Now you'll move this eye shape onto the other shapes to start putting them together. So, select the selection tool and the tools panel again and drag the eye onto the first shape you combined. Now you create this small moon shape you see in the final artwork from these two small circles. So, it's like the circles by dragging across them. And to zoom in a little to make it easier to see, choose View, Zoom in. Select the Shape Builder tool and the Tools panel. And so that you can remove parts of the shapes, press the Option key on Mac or Alt and Windows. And this time drag from the right to the left into the overlapping shape to remove those parts and leave a crescent moon shaped. Release the mouse button and then the key. Now you'll assemble all the shapes to make the final artwork. So, select the selection tool again. And with this moon shape still selected, drag it onto this black circle. Then drag across both of those shapes to select them. And drag them onto the eye shape. To finish the artwork, drag this blue shape onto the other shapes. Not that you know how to combine shapes in different ways with the Shape Builder tool. Experiment with your own artwork. Begins with simpler shapes, combining them to create artwork for logos, posters, whatever you need. Have fun with it. It's really amazing what you can create just by combining basic shapes. What you learned. Combine shapes. 1. Select the shapes you want to combine with the selection tool and the tools panel. 2. Select the Shape Builder tool and the tools panel. Either drag across the shapes you'd like to combine or press Alt, Windows or Option, Mac OS, and drag across or click parts of shapes to remove them. 3. To move shapes with no fill color, use the selection tool to drag them by their stroke. Here we go, we are done for today. Do not forget to leave your comment down below to help me to improve the content of the channel. See you next time. Goodbye.